Hey everyone! N here, calling using a program that I guess now canonically exists in murder drones. Woohoo! Just kidding. Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm the voice of N and a few other characters. I'm hijacking the Glitch channel today because of this guy right here. Don't really know exactly what this is, but maybe I'll see now. Let me
Hello?
Hey Uzi!
What is it, Anne?
I know this sounds weird since in universe we're supposed to be falling down an elevator shaft right now, but did you get a weird cube in the mail recently?
Cube? Anne, that's your invite to Glitch X.
Glitch X? Awesome! What is that?
It's an indie animation live stream hosted by the people that made us. There's gonna be a creator roundtable, announcements, and we're supposed to do like a voice acting game show or something. It'll probably be pretty fun. Or stupid. I don't know. Just go talk to someone else about it. If you want to.
Okay, maybe I'll go talk to Alex. Hey, Michael, what's up? Hey, Kane, you got any more promotional cubes lying around?
Oh, wait, who the hell are you? What happened to Ed?
It's our crossover episode, Hothead.
Hothead? Bite me, you!
Ah, there you go. That voice is much more serious appropriate. And to answer your question, Jax, I've got lots of cubes. Also, I've got this one.
What's wrong with you people?
Gadzooks, you're right, little girl. I should force Pomni to join as well.
No one said that.
What's going on?
Where's the game character?
Oh, sorry. What's going on?
Why, we're going on a wondrous adventure of voice acting competition. And like banter between segments.
Do I have a choice?
Of course you have a choice. Now, your segment's over, Drone Boy. Mommy, you're suffering through this with the rest of us.
Yeah, okay. Guess I'll see you there.
Cool. Lizzie's in.
What do you want, Michael?
What do you want, Ed? What are you doing?
Oh, I did get invited to Glitch X. Thank you for asking. There's just one little problem. This game show ain't big enough for the two of us.
Yeah, there's 6 players, so yeah, I got room. Love that guy. Anyway, we got one more person to talk to. Babyface, cousin, Freckle, my buddy in bootlegging. Will you two be joining us in Dionysian revelry?
I think I did get something mailed. Hold on.
Got it.
Oh yeah, here it is. Me and this little baby are gonna have some fun.
Are they? I'm not curious.
Probably.
Hey, wait, who's hosting this thing?
Hi! I, SaberSmart, will be hosting Glitch X's voice acting game show. Join me as I bring these very talented actors to a gauntlet of voice acting improv challenges and crossover scenarios. All to see who will win the fabled SaberSmart. Hey, you did a really good job there, champ trophy. So tune in to Glitch X on November 9th, 4 p.m. Pacific, over on the Glitch YouTube channel, and I'll see you there. Back to you guys.
How did he do that?
I think he paid for Discord.
Why didn't they ask me to host? Am I not good enough for them?
I just hope he doesn't bring out his gender swap OC again. No, not again!
I'm gonna gut someone if y'all try to rope me into some kind of games or pretend.
Now everyone calm down. Everything will be A-okay as long as we all have fun. It'll be a night of rambunctious revelry to be sure. Can't believe I share a voice actor with these guys.